Imagine a body of water so potent, it's more than just a final resting place. Welcome to Lake Natron in Tanzania. This unique body of water boasts an alkalinity level so high, it becomes a strange preservative. Birds meet their end here, not to decay, but to fossilize into uncanny stone-like mementos of nature's power. This isn't a curse, but a fascinating display of real-world chemistry. Don't let your curiosity stop here. There are countless more of Earth's strangest places to uncover. Discover them with us tomorrow on Quantexus. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this extraordinary journey.